Hi, bestie. Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen, and it is Faith and Finance Day to do some cash stuffing for this week. I have $50 that will go towards Savings Challenge. I want to start off with my Faith and Finances. Bestie, if you're new to my page, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here with me today. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So I do want to start off with one of my affirmation scripture cards for today. But let me go ahead and shuffle them up and then I will pick one. So let me know how are you doing and how is the weather in your area. I just checked a few minutes ago. It was snowing. I didn't even know it was supposed to be snowing. So let me know how's the weather. And did you do anything this weekend? I got some rest. I caught up on some rest. So I'm excited that I was able to do that, and I did enjoy my week with my grandbaby. Alright, so the card today says, I carry good news always, and it has good news on all the boxes. And this is taken from Isaiah 52:7. The verse is right there. And on the back of it, the verse says, How beautiful upon the mountains are the feet of him who brings good news, who publishes peace, who brings good news of happiness, who publishes salvation, who says to Zion, Your God reigns. Alright, so this is the verse for today. Alright, so before I can do any cash stuffing into my Faith and Finances, I have to condense the $50. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if I have enough to condense with the Faith and Finances challenges I've already done. So let's see. And I think I finished like 2 or 3 challenges already. So I should be able to condense it down. But let's see. I thought I had some more completed challenges. But let's see. I thought I had more, but I only see 2 right here. So I thought I finished like 3. Maybe it was 3. And let's see. Bear with me, guys. Alright. Oh, okay, yeah. There's others in here. Cause I thought I completed a few of these challenges. And the challenges that I completed right here, that's $24. But yes, I should have enough to condense the 50. But if you need any free faith and based savings challenges, these challenges right here that I've completed is the collab I did with Abigail. And they are available on Ko-Fi. And I have the Ko-Fi link in the description just in case you need some free savings challenge to work towards your goal. And since these are already completed, I might as well just go ahead and pull all the saving challenges and place them in the front and have the money behind them. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to add this $50 in here. And let me go ahead and sort this money up. And then I can just go ahead and place this back, but I'm going to have to double count the money that I took out to make sure it is $50. Because lately when I've been going back, I've been counting my money wrong. So I just want to make sure it's right. So I'm definitely going to double check it. Now, did I have this in here before? Alright, I think it's in there. Maybe I need to move these challenges right here into the other pocket. And I probably need to start some of these after I end up finish the ones that I'm currently working on. So that's an Abigail challenge there. And this one is Cynthia. I definitely want to work on those. But first I need to finish the ones that I'm currently working on. But let me try to place this in the second pocket and place the completed challenge in the first pocket. Maybe it will slide better in there. I'm going to fold this up too. And as usual, if you have any faith-based savings challenges, whether they're free or you have them in your shop, feel free to place them in the comments because someone might be looking for them. So it will help me, but it will also help out anyone else that might be in search of a certain type of savings challenge. And I'll be uploading a new faith-based and Ko-Fi this week. If I can get it up tonight, I will, but we'll see. But let me go ahead and sort this down. And I think I need to condense this $2 down. I mean, not $2, it's $10 down. Let me condense that while I'm at it too. Cause I'd rather have $1, $2 bills and $5 bills. So I guess I'll use these $2 bills and let me pull out 6 $1 bills. And then I should be good to go. Alright, so let me place this $10 and back in this pouch. Excuse me, I keep on losing my voice. Okay, and I will be doing the 52-week savings challenge this week. And then I'll be working on the challenges that I have in this binder that I started in January. Alright, let's make sure this is right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. So that's $10 there. Let me add them back up. Alright, let's recount this and make sure it's 50. 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Alright, so I counted it right. And I'm glad about that, but like I said, I just need to start double checking because I've been finding so many mistakes when I would go back to complete a challenge, how I've been off. And if you see me make mistakes, please let me know in the comments so I can correct it. Alright, so I have that set. Alright, so now let me get to the 52-week savings challenge. I think I've completed the first 20 weeks in the 52. Yeah, I completed the 52 weeks. So I do now have this available as a printable. On white paper, if you want the printable, it's a printable as an entire book. I didn't include the journal pages though. Alright, so let me see. How much did I budget to cash stuff for the faith? So I budgeted to do $10. And so let's see which ones I can do today. I'm thinking I could add up the first couple of ones that will total up to $10. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So for this week, I'll be doing week 21 through 24. And just in case if you're new here, with the Faith and Finance 52-week savings challenge, I created the amounts to accommodate whatever else savings challenges that you're doing. So the goal is not to save, typically when you're doing a 52-week savings challenge, you normally save a lot of money and you save that amount per week. But that wasn't the goal for the 52. It was just to supplement what you're already doing. And so that is the goal. Alright, so the verse is Philippians 1:19. God will supply all my needs. Luke 16:10. I am faithful with the little I have. Matthew 6:33. I seek God first and trust in his plan. 2 Corinthians 9:7. I give cheerfully and generously. So those are the 4 verses that's covered from week 21 through 24. And when I add those amounts up for those weeks, it totals up to that $10. And so typically what I've been doing, I will mark the 52-week savings challenge like a tracker for me when it comes to my faith base. And then when I go to my binder, I do have some freebie challenges that I have here, and I will apply it to that challenge. Alright, so let me pull out the $10 so we can get started. So I have 2 more saving challenges that I'm working on. So this is one of them. This one is $4 for each phrase. And like I said, this is a freebie that Abigail and myself created in January. And since I did $4 per phrase, I think today I will only be cash stuffing $8. And that will be 2 of the phrases. So let me get my dot marker. But the verse that's on this challenge is taken from Proverbs 10:22. The blessing of the Lord brings wealth without painful toil for it. And then the affirmation says, I am blessed and grateful. Every dollar I manage is a gift from God. And let's see, the 2 phrases on the ones that I just marked, it says, have faith in God, and faith is the way. So each of them, the circles here has a different phrase, but it's related to faith. So that is $8 that I'm adding to this challenge. I think this is the first time I ever done $4 on one of these type of challenges. But I think I know I did $4 on this one because I had less circles to check off. Well, let me sort this money out and let's count and see how much I've saved so far. Alright, let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, hold up. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 20. So I saved $20 so far. At least now I am halfway with completing this challenge. Not sure if I'm going to be able to complete this month now, because I do have a ways to go. If something comes through, and then I'll apply it to that. Alright, so for this one here, it's $1 each. And I'm going to apply the $2 to this challenge here. So let me get my purple dot marker for this. But the verse on this one is taken from Proverbs 21:5. And it says, the plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance, but everyone who is hasty comes only to poverty. And like I said, this one is a freebie that's in the Ko-Fi shop. So make sure you check out Blessed Budgets by Abigail. And I'll have her information in the description, so support her YouTube page. And also, she has a Ko-Fi shop as well. And that's basically it for today. Let me count this up. 2, 4, 6, hold up, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I saved $12 so far with this one. I still haven't had a chance to get to my February challenges. I'll probably end up doing them once I complete these. And that's it. So basically, have a blessed week. Toodles.